of your students, who are coming from, say, Hispanic backgrounds and speaking Spanish at home, they don't know what a gift they've got. They've got a tremendous advantage, and they should always be proud that they can speak another language, because many people simply can't and don't. They don't get that. And being able to speak two languages, it allows you to sort of step outside of one and look back at the other, understand it better, or makes it easier to learn a third. So, but yeah, being aware of other countries, being aware of other cultures, it's a really good thing. It opens up your mind to new ideas and new possibilities. And I would always tell students, if you're interested in science, that's fabulous, science and math, but don't neglect, your study of history, your study of cultures. Learn English well, learn to speak well, learn to write well, spend as much spare time reading as possible.
I think astrophysicists, that title alone is enough, because as you stated, you just mentioned that everyone's like, oh, Neil deGrasse Tyson, right? Like, that's who like you said in your presentation, you're Big Bang Theory. You're one of those people that
I've never seen that show, but like I guess I kind of have. My parents really like it, and having been at home with them now for like a month or two, like I've like caught glimpses of it. I'm like, none of these people are doing astrophysics as far as I can tell, but I understand that one of the characters is supposed to be an astrophysicist. So and every now and then when I look at it and I walk in, and if I see like one of the like whiteboards in the background, I'm like, that's not astrophysics, I don't know what that is. They're just writing symbols up there.